Welcome to Home Insulation Tips, your source for expert knowledge on making your home more energy efficient and comfortable. If you're a homeowner keen to enhance your living space, you're in the right place. Today we're delving deep into wall insulation, what you need to know. Let's explore the ins and outs of wall insulation to make your home cozier and more cost-effective. Why wall insulation matters. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's start with why wall insulation is crucial. Wall insulation plays a pivotal role in regulating your indoor temperature, reducing energy bills, and ensuring year-round comfort. It's the barrier between your home and the outside world, and it makes a significant difference. Types of wall insulation materials. When it comes to wall insulation, you have a range of materials to choose from. We'll explore the most common ones, including fiberglass, cellulose, spray foam, rigid foam, and even natural options like sheep's wool and cotton insulation. Wall insulation R-value. Understanding the R-value of your wall insulation is key. We'll explain what R-value is and why it's crucial for wall insulation and the overall comfort and quality of your house. Different parts of your home require varying R-values, and we'll cover how to calculate the appropriate value for your climate. Wall insulation installation, DIY or professional? One big decision you'll need to make is whether to tackle wall insulation as a DIY project or hire a professional. We'll discuss the pros and cons of each approach and help you determine which is right for your situation. Inspecting and preparing your walls. Before diving into the insulation process, we'll guide you through inspecting your walls and preparing them for insulation. This includes checking for moisture issues, air leaks, and ensuring your walls are ready for the new insulation. How to properly install wall insulation, the heart of this guide. We'll walk you through the step-by-step process of installing wall insulation properly. From preparing the materials to placing insulation within wall cavities, we'll provide expert tips and techniques. Wall insulation for different climates. Your climate plays a significant role in determining the right insulation approach. This is very personal, but average numbers might come in handy. We'll discuss how to adapt your wall insulation strategies for various climates, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient. Soundproofing with wall insulation. In addition to temperature control, wall insulation can also help with soundproofing. We'll explore how the right insulation material and installation can reduce noise from outside or between rooms, providing a more peaceful indoor environment. Post-installation inspection and maintenance. The job doesn't end once your walls are insulated. There's more behind it. We'll guide you through inspecting your work and performing routine maintenance to keep your insulation in top shape for years to come. Conclusion. Wall insulation is a fundamental component of a comfortable and energy-efficient home. Armed with this comprehensive guide, you're now equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your wall insulation project. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like and subscribe to Home Insulation Tips. We'll be back with more invaluable home improvement insights so you can keep it warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.